What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. This one will be very simple and quick. I just want to talk to you about transients and what they are, okay? All right, so we have this kick here. This is a good example of what a transient is. All right, so if we're looking at the waveform, transient is this high part, this high peak, all right, that it creates. I mean, if you look at a big waveform too, like if we look at this, look at this waveform right here. This is a sample, but it's creating a bunch of different transients. Same thing on the bottom here on the south polarity, okay? This is the north pole and the south pole of a waveform. Now, knowing what a transient is very important, especially with the sound that you're working on. So if you're working on a kick sound like we have over here, sometimes you might need to process the transients to be a little bit more dull or sharper. It really just depends. But you have to first know what a transient is. It's just those top peaks, okay? So for example, a soft clipper is coming in here and rounding these transients, whereas a limiter would just cut it at a certain point. That's one example of manipulating transients. And you also have things called transient processors, which can do all sorts of cool things with the transients of whatever sound you throw it in. They're just a really simple video explaining what a transient is. Nothing too crazy. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit the little bell. Make sure you stay safe, stay striving, and always be getting. Much love, y'all. Peace.